Yeah, my mic's working, my camera's working. What's that saying? Oh man, ready, set, go? No, uh, action. And yeah, action is what we're doing. You see the action happening? I'm not doing anything. Oh man, here we go. I don't want it for the phone. I want it for my wall. A clapperboard, electronic clapperboard, man. They're nice, but you don't have the time to write down things for the scene or all that good stuff. I'll already be done by the time I write things down and put it in front of the camera and shooting my video. And then when I go look at it, my thumbnails, they would never show that action, that part. So there is a lot of work when we go about grabbing a camera in hand. You got your story. You have to have the person with the scene, what they're shooting. And you have to set it up, go about. And wind is not the story here. Of course, it is kicking. Come into the picture, do your acting, and set on up. Know what you're going to say, do what you're going to do. Oh, man, I messed up. Yeah, doing film is not easy. And you have so many takes to do it. With the digital camera, the action camera, Osmo Action 3, GoPro, Insta, doesn't matter. Oh yeah, it does matter. Because if you have an Insta, then you would have seen me. Yeah, let me show you. Walking into the scene. You would have seen me around the camera as well. Maybe sitting over here doing a little talk. Now the Insta 360 One RS 1 inch or just the RS with the 360 4K boost, or the Insta 360 1X2 or the 1X3. The Insta 360 cameras, they capture everything. They got 4 different scenes, meaning that you can capture this one corner, that one corner, and this one corner. And if you wanted to look down at the floor or up at the ceiling any time of that one video scene, you could do so. So why is the action camera supposed to be the better camera when the Insta 360 captures the world? You can even hold the camera out and you can put your hands like this and nobody's going to know you have an Insta 360 camera, and it could get out there in the distance. How? Oh man, when you zoom out, it pushes everything out like you're really close. And then you have to really work with it, maybe to get it square, but it becomes, that's a whole different world. Sprinklers are not on, but you get the idea. You put the Insta 360 in the middle of here, right here, and you bring the camera out. Oh man, it's a shot of a lifetime. Ah, who am I? Who am I, Mr. Dove? Right? Who am I? Hickory dickory dock. The mouse went up the clock. Oh man, those were the days. Oh, that made me laugh, man. Yo, you ever meet somebody? Seniors. Oh yeah, baby. Hey, how's it going? You don't know, seniors. None of you will know it. History doesn't repeat itself. It's gone. All the old stores, restaurants, gone. One person's going to come over and make that comment. Oh, I remember seniors. I've been there. Oh, yeah. TSS. Well, that's another place. Remember that one? How about Gimbals? How about Woolworths? Oh, how about Arnett Strauss? Yeah. Stop recording. DJI stop recording. Doesn't work, man. Do I got to get closer? DJI stop recording. DJI stop recording. So you did your story, you shared your story, and was it good enough for the people out there? Well, they know what to do. They'll help you out. They'll say a lot. Well, I think I am done with my storyline. I'm not going to put anything in there because I got a lot of editing to do with what I shoot. So I'm hitting my road. I'm ending my story. And what happens when you finish? Well, the producer says, cut. That's a take. It's a wrap. See ya!